Welcome to the vibrant world of Guyanese cuisine. We are about to unravel the rich history and irresistible flavors of pepperpot, a dish that embodies the heart and soul of Guyana. Pepperpot traces its origins to Guyana's indigenous people, the Amerindians who first crafted this dish as a means to preserve meat in a humid tropics using cassareep, a dark tangy syrup extracted from cassava. They created a stew that could last for days without refrigeration and to preserve meat in the tropics. With the arrival of Europeans, the Dutch, in the 17th century, followed by the British, came the transatlantic slave trade. The enslaved Africans brought their cooking methods and bold flavors, shaping Guyanese cuisine. After slavery was abolished in 1834, the Indian indentured laborers brought spices, curries, and roti, adding new layers to Guyana's culinary tapestry. Together, these cultures transformed pepperpot into a dish that tells a story of resilience and unity. Pepperpot is a dish of celebration, traditionally served during Christmas and other special occasions, a ritual passed down through years. Pepperpot holds a special place in Guyanese homes, deeply rooted in the Guyanese heritage, cultural pride, and the communal spirit of sharing meals. I'm going to demonstrate how to make Guyanese pepperpot. To prepare this delightful dish, we start by browning chunks of beef in a pot. As the meat cooks, we add garlic and onions. Habanero sauce. At the heart of pepperpot is thick cassareep, a dark syrup made from the juice of the cassava roots. This ingredient is essential, lending its distinctive sweetness and depth of flavor to the dish, while also acting as a natural preservative. Next, we add cinnamon, brown sugar, orange peel, and thyme, ingredients that enhance the flavor and reflect the garden fresh produce of Guyana. And some salt to taste. And finally, we add 2 cups of water. As the pepper pot simmers, it transforms into a dish that is robust and comforting. The combination of sweet and savory, paired with the tender meat. Traditionally, pepper pot is served with rice, bread, or yams, allowing the bold flavors to shine through and inviting everyone to enjoy the meal together. The act of sharing a pot of pepper pot embodies the spirit of hospitality and togetherness that is integral to Guyanese culture. It invites everyone to savor the moment, to reflect on their heritage, and to appreciate the journey that food takes us on. Share your own pepper pot creations with me on Instagram. Join me next time as we explore more delicious food around the world. Until then, happy cooking. Next week, we'll embark on another culinary journey that will take your taste buds on a whole new adventure. Stay tuned, and you don't want to miss it.